Welcome back to Eating the African, where my name is Nicholas. Today we're going to look at one of the African juices our ancestors or our grandparents used to enjoy most. What was the secret behind it? Were they gaining manpower out of this? We are going to find out. This is Simon. Can you please introduce yourself? And
Simon Trucker, and I normally work in the UK. I've been away out of this country for over 15 years. My channel is especially about truck driving, travel vlogs, career advice, money-making skills, and variety.
Wow, in today's video we're going to look at how omubisi or banana juice, how it is extracted from major ingredients. But how do you call omubisi in your language?
Oh, from Masini we call it Sunday.
Sunday.
Sunday. In Runyoro we call it Sunday.
Wow, in Uganda it's omubisi. So these are ingredients we're going to use. We're going to use ripe bananas, a subi, a tete or a special type of grass, and then water. Or if you don't have a tete or that special type of grass, you can use mature banana leaves. Let us get into the video.
bayite mberenge nga tutadde mu mazzi kati bwe tuba tumaze okuteekamu amazzi eba tekyali mberenge. Katimba kagenda munda mu yoga in Africa.
Simon, have you ever tasted this?
Yeah, I've had this before.
Yeah. So is there any difference between what you tasted and this?
It's similar. It's similar. I've tasted this long ago when I was still a young boy. And our neighbors in Masini were doing this in the boat. Just this, the one she was saying. Bigger boat. Stepping it in the boat.
So what did you expect from your way coming here?
I had no clue at all, but I'm very impressed. Very nice reminder of the African way of making things. Yeah.
Okay. Any recommendation? Would you recommend it to people outside?
Yes.
Or?
I could recommend this to anyone. But yes, another reminder I can say is this here. It reminds people how they should not take things for granted, because over in the UK where I live and work, they're going to be using a blender. They won't mix grass, they won't do that. They'll just throw the bananas into a little machine and to smash the things, add water, and then
That will make a smoothie.
smoothie. Yes, but which is still relating with, sort of relating with this.
Yes.
Yeah, that's all I'm gonna.
Well, our grandparents used to enjoy this almost every day, but nowadays it's not common. You only find it to the functions like a wedding, but just not those functions. So that's why we hide people can make this.
Okay, so it's a delicacy now.
So
Expensive.
yeah, it's so expensive now. I don't know.
How much do they sell it? You see now, like, bottle,
The bottle is one cent.
small bottle.
Yeah, that's small bottle. But it's not everywhere now.
I also heard that if you leave it to ferment or get
You have to
spoiled,
leave it for more days, it will ferment.
and come to add alcohol.
Yes.
Do they need to add in anything, or it's just the way it is?
I think if you add on sorghum and then ferment and make alcohol, I think.
Makes alcohol.
So that stage I advise you not to drink and drive.
Do not drink this.
Yeah. You should be careful even now.
So it gets alcoholic. Right now it's not, but I mean after it's fermented.
Yes, after it's fermented.
How many days? 2 days, 3 days?
Kind of. A week.
1 week.
Yeah, that will take a week. Wow.
Lovely.
Thank you for watching, and if you have just landed on this video, please subscribe and join the family because more is coming. Any last word to the viewers?
Appreciate for the invite. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you, and I've had a very nice time coming here.
Thank you so much.